Good morning and welcome back to another daily market outlook video where I'm going to discuss with you all the major dollar pairs and gold. What we can see on DXY that happened yesterday is actually not that much. On the 4-hour we are still really consolidating over here between this fractal high and this fractal low. And what we did is started to create some really nice liquidity to take out in the future. If we look at the 1 hour, however, what we can see is some more clear structure. Last week I talked about how I wanted to grab the liquidity above this high over here in towards this supply zone. We didn't do that. We did push up and then we created some really nice liquidity over here. So like descending highs, still liquidity above a move that's not like that doesn't really have liquidity in itself because it's just one big push down and then continuation down lower. And now finally, after yesterday being a really slow day, what we can see is that we started to push up in towards the highs. So I do expect at least this high to go, and preferably together with this high and then a nice change of character in towards that demand zone. If we then go to Euro USD, let me close this. What we can see is that we created some really nice equal highs over here, as of course equal lows on DXY. And now we are starting to break down even lower, and this is what I was waiting for. So I really wanted to take out at least this price action over here together with this low, together with the yearly open, and then maybe see a change of character in towards the upside, continuation down up higher, or preferably we take out this ugly low as well together with the liquidity that I still marked out with my alert over here. So see a push down lower and then a change of character in towards the highs, and then I would be happy to continue with longs. So let's see what we can get. Yesterday just waited for some movement, but not a lot happened. And as of this morning, we can see that there is some more volatility coming into the market. So let's see if we can take out at least this low today, preferably the low beneath that, and then wait for a change of character. We then have GU, and GU as well started to sell down lower as of this morning. There is still a lot of liquidity open for me over here underneath this low as well. I have marked out liquidity on the 1 hour here, so just a tap in towards this demand zone, a change of character in towards the highs, and then a continuation in towards the upside would be preferably for me. The liquidity I marked out is just a demand zone that did not take out any liquidity. So just want to see that get taken out as well. Then a change of character in towards the highs and then continuation longs. NU is rather consolidating over here, or consolidative. We have a demand zone. Then we have another little demand zone over here. But the thing with this demand zone is that I do not really think it's strong. And if we look at the 1 hour, what we can see, and I removed this quickly, is that yes, we came back in towards the demand zone previously, but then kinda out of nowhere we start to push up again. And yes, there was liquidity situated over here, but it's not really strong. So preferably we take out at least this low over here, but also this low can go, in my opinion. We are then trading in towards the discount prices and back in the demand zone, and then a change of character in towards the upside would be beautiful, and then I want to trade this up higher as well. Then we have AUD USD, beautiful price action in towards like the sideways price action. Now what we do see is that we start to break down lower, so preferably we take out this low over here together with the monthly open, and then this demand zone that's situated over here but is not really strong because didn't take out any liquidity, randomly started to push up higher, so this low then becomes the liquidity in my eyes. We can push back in towards demand and then see a change of character in towards the highs for continuation longs. Then USD CAD yesterday started to push down a little bit lower. We just tapped in towards this demand zone that was situated over here, and price is now continuing up higher from that demand zone. So yeah, let's see what we can get here. It's not really a top pick for me anymore, and that's because we are seeing some really strong bullish development and then some sideways price action, and now we're just continuing up higher, and I'm just going to leave this do its thing on the higher time frame. On the 4 hour, there, yeah, like the really ugly lows, not real clear price action. It's just sideways price action as well, this. So yeah, maybe it continues up higher towards this liquidity low in the supply zone. I don't know. Currently, I don't know, and I'm going to wait until the setup presents itself. Preferably in my opinion, I would like to see this go and then a change of character and then some continuation shorts in towards the downside, but we'll have to see what happens. USD JPY, still really quick. Nothing here to do, so we're going to continue in towards USD CHF, and USD CHF is continuing up a little bit higher from yesterday, but still not like a lot happening. I would still prefer to see this price action over here get taken out as liquidity, so that would be a push up in towards the 0.5 once again. Yeah, pushing towards a 0.5, take out liquidity here, and then see a clear change of character with the intention of some bearish continuation afterwards. Then last but not least, we have gold, and gold yesterday pushed up a higher, breaking structure over here once again. So what we can now see or do is, let's see. Yeah, this is our 4 hour move in towards the downside, and then our 4 hour break in towards the upside. So let's place our Fibonacci retracement tool. We are now in discount, but the only thing is that there's not like real liquidity inside of here. So yeah, let's see if we can get a change of character and then in towards the highs, or that we're going to take out this low and then see a change of character in towards the highs. Because yesterday on the 4 hour there was not like a lot to do for me, because we pushed down lower and then our fractal high was situated over here. I don't want to trade against the 4 hour fractal, so let's see what we can get. We did take out some liquidity above this high now, this being our early sellers maybe, swiping the high, and then now a continuation down lower. So that's also a possibility that can happen now. So if we just continue down lower, then it's going to be waiting for me once again until the perfect long opportunity comes back in towards the market, because still this is not really nice price action that I want to trade off. These are ugly lows I want to see taken out. If yesterday the price would have pushed over here, then up, and then underneath and up, then the 4 hour fractal would have been a lot lower as well, and then I could have entered in towards a position, but that wasn't the case, and now we just created some ugly lows. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just continue down lower now. Guys, thanks for watching today's market outlook video. I'm here Monday to Friday with new updates. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.